You take your glaucoma drops every single day. Your doctor tells you your eye pressure, your IOP, is perfectly normal. But deep down, you know the terrifying truth. Your vision is still getting worse. If this sounds like you, you're experiencing what I call the Glaucoma Paradox. Western medicine focuses almost entirely on lowering eye pressure. But what happens to the optic nerve cells that have already been damaged? Most doctors will tell you they are dead, and vision loss is permanent. But what if they are wrong? What if those cells are not dead, but simply dormant? Today, I am going to share a real documented case study of a 53-year-old woman who was going blind despite having normal eye pressure. I'm going to show you exactly how she went from 20/60 vision back to 20/25, and I'll share the objective medical test that proved her optic nerve was actually waking up. Let's dive in. Let's look at the case of a 53-year-old female patient who came to us at Restore Vision Herbs. She had been diagnosed with glaucoma 2 years prior. Like a good patient, she did everything right. She managed her IOP with prescription drops. But the disease was still stealing her sight. Her central vision had dropped to 20/60 in both eyes. She was experiencing extreme peripheral constriction, meaning her side vision was disappearing, leaving her with numerous blind spots. On top of that, she suffered from severe dry eye and constant eye fatigue. She was losing her independence and living in fear of total blindness. She was told her optic nerve was dying and nothing more could be done. But she refused to accept that as her final answer. When she consulted with us, we explained a crucial concept. Many optic nerve cells that appear dead on standard tests are actually in a state of hibernation. They are dormant due to poor blood supply and cellular stress. If we can stimulate them and feed them, they can wake up. We put her on a comprehensive, non-invasive 3-month protocol. Here is exactly what she used. First, the AC STIM device. This stands for Specific Frequency Alternating Current Stimulation. She used this at home for 20 minutes a day. It uses microcurrents to directly stimulate those dormant optic nerve cells and force blood flow back into the ischemic areas. Second, StemActiv. This is our targeted cellular support herbal supplement. Think of AC STIM as the spark that wakes the engine up, and StemActiv as the premium fuel that keeps those cells alive and helps them rebuild. Third, OCU-ION therapy to further accelerate blood circulation and help manage her overall ocular environment. So, what happened? After just 2 months into her 3-month cycle, the results were nothing short of incredible. Her central vision in the left eye improved from 20/60 all the way to 20/25. Her right eye improved to 20/40. She experienced a dramatic expansion of her peripheral vision. Those blind spots started to fill in. And as a bonus, her severe dry eye symptoms were completely cured. But here is the most important part. You don't just have to take her word for it. She underwent a VEP test, Visual Evoked Potential. For those who don't know, a VEP test measures the electrical signals traveling from your eye to your brain. It is 100% objective. You cannot fake a VEP test. Her VEP test results scientifically confirmed the recovery of her nerve pathways. The signals were firing again. The dead nerve was awake. Now, I want to be completely transparent with you. This is not a magic pill. As you can see from this case study, it took 2 months of consistent, daily effort using the AC STIM and StemActiv to see these results. Healing nerve tissue takes time, patience, and a commitment to your health. But this case study proves that an optic nerve diagnosis doesn't have to be a life sentence. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal if you give it the right tools, the right stimulation, and the right nutrition. If you have glaucoma, optic neuritis, or have been told your optic nerve is dead, don't lose hope. I want you to click the link in the description below to visit restorevisionherbs.com. You can read more detailed case studies just like this one, learn exactly how AC, STIM, and StemActiv work, and book a consultation with our team to see if this protocol is right for you. Don't let your dormant cells die. Wake them up. Click the link below, subscribe to the channel for more eye health breakthroughs, and I'll see you in the next video.